Is this full body 17 Pro Max case from Miracase going to be worth it for your new phone? Let's find out. So both sides of the case are going to be having a tempered glass covering to them. So the front of the case is going to have a built-in tempered glass screen protector, and the back of the case is also going to be tempered glass as well, covering the back side of your phone. It also does have a raised camera lens protector piece at the top where the lens area is. It does cover that whole lens area. The inside of it actually does cover the lenses and then the flashlight area too. But then this outer piece also does pop out over that, so kind of like double protection for those lenses there. On the back is also going to be a built-in MagSafe ring, so going to be compatible with any MagSafe accessories, wireless charging, power banks, all that good stuff. And it has a great MagSafe hold too. You can see I'm holding the power bank, and the phone is just floating right with it, not dropping or anything. And then on each corner of the case, you do get these bumpers, so going to be great for shock absorption, especially if you drop your phone on the sides or the ends of the case. And as you know, the 17 Pro Max does have that camera action button. Well, this case does have a built-in camera action button for you, so you still have access to that and you can still use it right here. Overall, I think this would be a great daily case to use, especially if you do want more protection but still have the MagSafe compatibility. I also like how it's not too bulky. It actually still keeps its slim design, but you have that 360 protection. So definitely would recommend this if you just got the 17 Pro Max. I think this is a great design.